Okay, so what I want to show you to do now is to add locations in your native app. So I'm logged into the Crash Rocket app, and the reason we're going to add locations is because they play at different venues. And so in their mobile app, we want someone who wants to go to an event to be able to open up a tab. It displays location markers on a map, and they could either click on those location markers, or they could go by the list, find the venue name, click on it, and thereby opening their Google Maps or their Maps app in their iPhone and get turn-by-turn directions. So what we're going to do, you can see here that I have the venues tab. And the tab function is around us, so we're going to populate the around things. So we'll go to content, and we're going to click on venues, and you can see I already have Main Street Station added in here. And so you can change also the color. So really Main Street Stations should be Daytona, so let's just go make that. Let's make it green for Daytona. And so we'll save that. So we edited that real quick. And then let's do this. So let's take this purple here and make it orange for Port Orange. Okay, and I'm going to make it orange by clicking and dragging right here to bring up the hues of colors that I want. Let's look at the reds up here. Okay, well, so right down here are the oranges, and so we'll just select one real quick. Let's get a little brighter. There we go. So that one right there works. So we will use that one for Port Orange, and I click Save there. Alright, so then we're going to add a point here, and the point we're going to add today is going to be Roadside Tavern. And so we're just going to name Roadside Tavern. And Roadside Tavern is in Port Orange. We're going to go back and put Port Orange there in a minute. We'll edit that. You could fill in some information here. This is kind of like a what you see is what you get editor, so you can type, change your fonts, you can put a picture in there, a video link, you do all kinds of stuff. But for now, we're just going to keep it simple and put the address in 3400 South Nova Road, Port Orange, Florida 32129. And then we're just going to go down here and check this box, check box to look up from address. So it's going to look up the latitude and longitude for the map coordinates. And so it did that. And we're going to go back up here and let's put Port Orange in there, and we'll save it. So that was all pretty simple. So we'll go over here to preview, and then the app comes up. And let's see what we have. Okay. So then we have to slide over here to get venues. So we'll click on venues, and it brings up the two that we have on our list so far. And so we can click list, and it'll bring them up right here. So I can click Main Street Station. And I'm on the computer, so the map doesn't come up, but on your app on your phone, the map would come up, and you're good to go. That's how you